Epstein with the Morning Flash Update. This update is for the morning as we're here now on Wednesday, and this is the 21st of August, 2024, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. The stock markets are back up. Yesterday was Tuesday, a reversal Tuesday, where the market was reversing some of the gains it made on a very strong Monday, and now the market's waiting on pieces of data. Speaking of that, let's take a look at them. You had the mortgage market headline index down. I was really surprised, down 10.1%, and the purchase index down 5.2%, and the refi down. And yet we have watched interest rates fall. The application level for new mortgages, the lowest since February. Has the window closed? Are investors just saying homes are too expensive? I don't qualify, even with interest rates falling. I think I'll wait and see what the market offers next spring. Could be the case. As I said, the lowest number since Feb. Advanced quarterly services. This is going to be a big number. And we are looking for revisionments to the payroll numbers. Now, how big is the question? We get this number every year at this time, and then we get another final revision, and actually I think it's February. But are they going to lose 50,000, 80,000 jobs a month that we've seen so far? Was the number overstated? What does that do for the Fed's idea? Because what it means is the labor market's not quite as strong as the Fed thought. That's going to get interesting. What do you do with the unauthorized people? Because this counts differently. This counts payrolls at states. And you know, a lot of the unauthorized immigrants that have come in, they're not on payrolls. FOMC minute release, another wacko thing today. At 1 o'clock, that'll move the markets. And at 9:30, we get the API numbers, and they'll come out and give us an idea what's going on. So as I come back to the charts here, you can see, speaking of energy, you're getting a little bit of a bid today in the crude. You're sitting here still down 0.3. I've heard nothing on Israel-Hamas. I know we have Anthony Blinken running from country to country trying to get a deal done. I don't think it's possible. So we'll see if he ends up coming to the conclusion I do. I think Israel and Hamas's goal is to get Iran drawn into the fight against Israel in the West. Israel's goal, I think, for Netanyahu is wiping out Hamas, which is impossible to do. You can't wipe out an idea. They'll just coming back. And nobody's going to get these two, I think, to reach a peace. Do I want to be wrong? I want you to write me how wrong I am on all this when it happens. I really, from the bottom of my heart, want a peace deal there. Notes and bonds, well, as we can look here, you can see a little bit of a bid coming into them. Gold down, silver up, but it's sort of right now a market that is marking time in front of that 9 o'clock advanced quarterly number. We're either going to breathe a sigh of relief or you're going to get a lot of volatility out of it. Be ready for something there. Dollar down a few points, but you're really not moving that much in the currencies one way or the other. I'll be looking to see, do we get one of these patterns today? It's called an outside day. Outside days are often a continuation or an exit strategy on an existing trend. You got to know how to read them. They happen regularly. So this is not a pattern that shows up every now and then. What does it mean? How do you work with it? Where do you put an idea stop? Top or bottom of that number where it says, no, that was a fake out, the market's going the other way, or continuation that, yeah, that is just saying the market's going to keep going. I created a video series. It includes my complete research, the charting software, so you can keep up with what we're doing. We walk you through this for weeks on weeks. I think you'll find it interesting. Go to iraepstein.com under the word courses, or move your cursor to the top here, and you'll see an icon for the courses. Hope you take advantage of this. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great day.